Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is tour of PowerPoint. First of all, we have in the upper side, this is called the title bar. With some option we have in the right side, it's called control box. From here we can control our program. And in the left side we have quick access toolbar. It contains different options. And this is called tabs. Each tab have different ribbon and each ribbon is divided up into groups like slides, font, paragraph and etc. This is called the working area and it is called slide. This is called the status bar, and from here we can zoom in and zoom out the working area. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.